You gave up sugar, but you swapped it for Splenda, aspartame, Ace K, even erythritol. I would suggest it might be time to rethink that. And in this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful reasons to ditch artificial sweeteners and even the sugar alcohols for good. For good. All right, so the first one is your gut microbiome is going to thank you. It's going to have the opportunity to actually heal. So artificial sweeteners, they taste sweet, but they leave your gut bitter. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, they alter gut flora and they lead to inflammatory gut bacteria predominating. So lovers of these artificial ingredients will say they're inert because they just pass through the body, mostly unchanged. But even though they're not directly metabolized by the gut bacteria, they disrupt the microenvironment that these bacteria live in, setting the body up for disease and dysfunction. Along with that, erythritol, which is a sugar alcohol found in nature, has been shown to inhibit some of our most beneficial bacteria like Bifidobacterium. It's wild that people will be pumping probiotics with Bifidobacterium strains in them while also eating bars and drinking drinks with erythritol. So erythritol is not as toxic as Splenda, as aspartame, by any means, as Ace K, but over and over, I see patients coming in having switched off the sugar and are consuming no sugar food items, energy formulas, protein powders containing erythritol, and they're wondering why they're just gaseous all the time. So recognize your gut is your second brain. We got to protect this baby. All right, number 2, cravings and appetite are going to drop when you drop these artificial sweeteners because fake sweet, it tricks our brain momentarily, but exponentially fuels our cravings. Artificial sweeteners, they overstimulate the sweetness receptors and they disrupt appetite regulation. They increase the desire for more sugary, carbohydrate things because the sweetness and the calories, they've been uncoupled, decoupled. Every time you consume these no-calorie artificial sweeteners, you're creating a disruption between your brain and your taste signals. If you want to reduce sugar cravings and improve your appetite control, step 1 is giving the body authentic food substance. When they're sweet, there's actual sugar there. Give it a date, an apple, an orange. You're so much better off baking with date sugar, honey, maple syrup, or using fruit as a sweetener than dropping a wrecking ball of Splenda into the mix. The calories are saving acutely, but they are deranging your hormones like GLP-1, ghrelin, insulin, leptin. They're deranging them over the long term. And they're literally creating a bigger and deeper pit for you to have to climb out of versus the sugar, the real sugar, a little puddle we got to get our way out of. And this is why people drink diet soda drinks, and studies show they often gain far more weight than the people that don't even drink soda. So both are not supposedly getting calories, but yet one group is significantly more likely to become obese and get diabetes. All right, number 3, metabolic health is going to improve. Once artificial sweeteners are tossed to the side, your neurochemistry, your neurochemicals will actually begin to recognize the benefits of sweet. And insulin will regain its ability to perform as it should. So several studies have linked artificial sweeteners to insulin resistance, impaired glucose tolerance, even type 2 diabetes. This is despite these artificial ingredients being calorie-free. So calorie-free is not a health term. It is marketing to keep you enslaved to ultra-processed, not made for human consumption foods. Because the idea is if they think it's calorie-free, then the masses will consume more and will make more and more money. It's gross, no doubt about it. Don't fall for it. Kicking these artificial ingredients to the curb, it allows you to truly mend your relationship with food, both metabolically and neurochemically. All right, number 4, mental clarity and mood are going to get a boost. Shocking, I know, but your brain actually runs better without these neurotoxins cluttering its energy pathways. So aspartame linked to headaches, brain fog, mood disturbances. And I've seen a state of panic overwhelm patients who are consuming these Splendas and aspartames. So how can we expect clarity of mind, focused thinking when we are slurping down agents that are trying to trick our brain into thinking it's getting nourishment when what it's really getting is a toxin? It's kind of like a Trojan horse. All right, number 5, your taste buds are going to get a nice reset. How would it be to grab some blueberries, bite into an apple, or even eat some birthday cake made with whole food ingredients and find it ultra satisfying? Whoa, that's sweet. Wow, that tastes good. Like, how amazing would that be? When you ditch artificial sweeteners that overwhelm sweet pathways, your body actually starts enjoying the different natural sweet flavors. Because an apple, a blueberry, an orange, a grapefruit, these are all different types of sweet flavoring. But when you are lambasted with 200, 400x sweetness via these artificial means, your body doesn't even recognize the differences between sweetness anymore. And this isn't all faking, oh yeah, I like this, I like how the apple tastes now. No, your body and mind will actually manifest, wow, this is delicious. So even sour, bitter, salty flavors become more enjoyable as the sensory system can actually differentiate this goodness that God created for us. So if you've been feeling stuck with cravings, gut issues, or brain fog, living off of caffeine, maybe challenges with fat loss, today is the day to sever artificial sweeteners from your life. Watch your body respond. It's one of the simplest upgrades any of us can make for our long-term health is delete artificial from our food inputs. So let me know how you fared with artificial sweeteners in the comments below. Love to hear it. And I just want to let you know, be on the lookout for a 6-week opportunity to accumulate massive, I say massive health with me that can then be used as a stepping stone to build off of for the rest of your life. All right, I'm Dr. Matt. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you guys and gals later.